imposing figure when you look at Uzur Zuzupbekov, 26 years old, tall, powerful, Tokyo Olympian. Something interesting about him and his career, he's never had a lot of success at the World Championships. Yet here at these Asians, he has dominated. A gold medal in 2019, two-time bronze medalist in both 2018 and 16. Trying to pick up his third bronze medal at the Continental Championships tonight, 6 minutes away from that. Park Ji-woo does not have the experience of his counterpart. Wrestled last year in Oslo at the World Championships, placed 11. First time representing Korea at these Asian Championships. In the red, a minute in, no score. Park will get the passivity point. Getting his thoughts together, assumes position, goes parallel to start. Wants to try to soften him up top. Try to get him elevated. Now settles into that mid-gut. The grip slipped on him and popping out free for the reversal and getting the points underneath. Nice job there by Zuzupbekov. He immediately goes into a lift. Chain wrestling here. He has him front and center, and he will take him to his back for 4. And he, if he can keep this position, might be able to slowly work his way up the body and maybe get those shoulders exposed. Right now, sitting on a 4-1 lead. He has all sorts of time, but he's got to slowly and methodically work his way up the ladder here to try to put Park maybe in a fall situation. Referee will let this continue to go. Zuzupbekov very casually, very slowly trying to reposition his upper body. Can't really do much with his legs. Those are the plant legs. You see all the weight right now on his toes. And that's just complete force, all 97 kilos right now on the abs and the upper body of Park, and he shows his strength. He's able to get to his base, but he does get turned. Now down 6-1. Zuzupbekov stays with it, and nothing awarded with that last throw. Judge will say 2, actually, and the match chairman agrees. So take that back. They will give 2, and an 8-1 lead behind a strong tail end of the first period from Uzur Zuzupbekov. Good look at the Tokyo Olympian. He lost both of his matches in Tokyo. Artur Alexianian of Armenia, then he fell to Finland's Savalainen. Take a look at the late points scored near the edge. Now he is a point away from ending it early and winning yet another bronze medal. See if Park makes some necessary adjustments. Down 7 as we begin period 2. Don't forget, one more match coming up tonight. It's gold medal. Uzbekistan and Iran. Can the Islamic Republic of Iran finish with 3 straight gold medals to close out this competition? Rustam Asakalov, part of that terrific 3 we were talking about for Uzbekistan. Well, Mahdi Baliham Zadeh looking for his 2nd consecutive Asian championship. That's for gold. Our highlight match coming up here in just a little bit. They're going to change up how they awarded that last exchange, giving an additional point to Jusupbekov. So now it's a 9-1 score, which would end the match. Japan, seeing that, has decided to challenge, and what, or I should say Korea, seeing that, decided to challenge, and what Park Ji-woo is hoping is that they were out of bounds. So that's what this review is taking a look at. And that's exactly what our replay official is looking at, that shot that you are observing right now. And this was that long, long exchange where, you know, he had Park nearly exposed. He gave up on that, but he did not give up on getting offense. That was the initial roll for 2 points. And then was he inbounds for that last throw? We're about to find is going to be it. So Jusupbekov has won the bronze medal. I think watching him, he's always so composed. He does not show a lot of emotion. Just looking over at the replay table himself, and that is going to be the match. Tremendous job. Disappointment from Park Ji-woo on his face. But yeah, that last 60-second barrage seals the deal for Kyrgyzstan, and it is another bronze medal. Man, you take a look at what he has compiled over the last 5 years in these Asian championships. Won the gold in 19, and now for the 3rd time, he wins the continental bronze. Узур Jusupbekov, your bronze